There is a moment that ambushes a woman. No thunderclap. No warning shot. It creeps in on an ordinary morning, sunlight through the blinds, coffee going cold, and then it hits her like a freight train. The life she spent decades building is gone. The relationship, vanished. The bank account, drained. The career she bled for, finished. The friends who swore loyalty, gone like smoke in wind. And the woman staring back in the mirror? She feels like a stranger wearing her face. In that silence, something terrifying happens. For the first time, there is nowhere left to hide. Most women spend their entire lives running, not from danger, but from stillness. Because stillness asks questions they were never given permission to ask. So they chase. The next promotion. The next relationship that's supposed to complete them. The next person to tell them they're enough. Be strong. Be selfless. Hold it together. Never complain. Never break. And somewhere in that relentless sprint, they made a devastating trade. They swapped knowing themselves for being needed by everyone else. When the walls collapse, that trade is exposed for what it always was, a lie. Losing everything feels like a verdict. Guilty. Not enough. Every memory becomes a blade. Every mistake screams louder at 3 a.m. She replays the conversations she'd burned the world to redo, hunting for the single decision that could have stopped the avalanche. But here's the brutal truth nobody warns her about: the heaviest loss isn't the house or the title. It's the future she'd already built inside her own head, the wedding that won't happen, the family photos that won't be taken, the life that just got erased overnight. She's grieving something that never even got the chance to exist. And no one around her can see that wound, because it lives only in her. And yet, this is where it turns. After enough sleepless nights, a dangerous truth surfaces: none of it was ever really her. A job vanishes with one phone call. Money disappears in a single bad year. Love can end despite everything she poured into it. None of it was permanent. None of it was ever truly hers to keep. The only thing left standing when the smoke clears is the woman alone in the mirror at midnight. And that's exactly the woman most people spend their whole lives avoiding becoming. When there's nothing left to prove, the running finally stops. And in that stillness come the dangerous questions: who am I when nobody needs me? Who am I when no one's watching? If it all vanished tomorrow, would I still respect what's left? There are no quick answers. Only the slow, unglamorous work of rebuilding, in private, with no audience, no applause. Then, one day, something shifts. Not a lightning bolt. Just a quiet decision. Stop asking why this happened, and start asking what it's forging in her. That shift changes everything. She realizes the people who stayed weren't there for her success, they were there for her honesty. She learns that peace beats proving herself to people who were never paying attention. She discovers that real confidence isn't built by being chosen. It's forged by surviving the exact thing she swore would destroy her. So she rebuilds. But this time, not for approval, for trust. A woman who keeps promises to herself when no one's watching. Who shows up with discipline when motivation has long since fled. Who can finally sit in silence without flinching. Every scar becomes proof she survived what should have ended her. Every betrayal sharpens her instinct for who actually belongs in her life. She stops chasing people who don't choose her. She stops shrinking herself for people committed to misunderstanding her. And quietly, gratitude ambushes her in places she never thought to look. A quiet morning. An honest friend. A body that still carries her. The world doesn't get kinder, she just finally wakes up inside it. Real strength was never the absence of fear. It's feeling the grief, the shame, the fear, and refusing to let it steer the wheel. Because here's the final truth: everything external can be stolen. Money. Title. Plans. Even people. But no failure, no loss, no circumstance can ever take the woman she chooses to become after it all falls apart. That choice is hers. Every single morning. And once she's rebuilt from nothing, loss loses its power over her forever.